Hello world, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make 5 liters of bleach. So we use bleach to wash our whites to make them sparkle, especially when they have dirt that don't come off. First we have to split that 5 liters into 2.5 liters in 2 places, and then you start mixing the chemicals into it. Here we have the caustic soda, we have the chloride, and we also have the soda ash. Everything dissolve in water. We're going to allow them dissolve before mixing everything into each other. So this is it now. I'm mixing the soda ash into the chloride, and then the caustic soda into the chloride and soda ash. Please make sure you're using glove and especially a nose mask, because the chlorine causes some kind of choking sensation. So once I'm done mixing all 3 chemicals together, that is it. We're going to cover this up and allow it settle for 3 days. So if you finish your mixture, let's say 5 p.m., you're going to allow this mixture sit for 3 days. That's 5 p.m. the 3rd day. That is when you would sieve out the clear fluid on top of it. For those who would ask where to get these chemicals, just go to Ojota, or maybe around your area you have where they sell chemicals. Go there and tell them to give you chemicals for bleach. They would sell for you according to the number of liters you want to make. So after 3 days, this is what we have. You can see that whole mixture has settled down. You can see the sediment at the bottom of the bucket, and the bleach itself on top of it, just like a clear fluid. Not as clear as water, but very clear. So now I've sieved out the bleach from the sediment, and this is what we have. So if you followed this process through, you should also have something like this. This is the sediment. You can dry it up later and use to wash back of your pots or dispose. Thank you for watching, and I see you in my next video.